get a sneaky little...
Looks proper, mate.
Oh, wow.
Check that out, look. Ah. This is called a space frame.
Is it?
Yeah, there's loads of space to put a frame in.
Yes.
Hang on, get this. Look.
Get this, look.
Get in here, get in here. Get in here, junk man! We like them, don't we? What are they called? Neutral droppers, have you seen them?
Yeah. Right, boys.
Right, junk man! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god. Let's listen.
That's a deep flat.
There you go. That's the tune of the day. It's called This Is Fucked. Ruler, which is fucking handy. Piece, the same width as the ruler.
Why don't you just use the ruler, mate?
Oh, I would do, mate, but it's aluminium.
Aluminum, mate?
It's aluminum. And as Nat would say, it's fucking shit.
Fucking shit, mate.
What a load of fucking shit.
Yeah, that's what I reckon.
See, now I've cut the hole too big that the ruler won't hide it.
Fuck the jar sauce, mate.
Who the fuck puts mushrooms in bolognese? Anyway, you can tell we've all been locked in the house for fucking 6 weeks. Innit? Anyway. Right. Just going to put my 80 shades on.
These drawn all over.
I've drawn all over. They're fucking, yeah. Alcohol and weed.
Glue and speed.
Well.
He draws the line at crack.
Yeah. Right, here we go. So, now, I'm going to cut this piece out.
That piece.
And walk away.
Walk away. Walk away.
I can show you some RC stuff if you want to put that on your channel.
We could do that.
You can show them the drift car that you fucked up and I fixed.
No, I'm gutted I sold to you.
I've got 2 large planes ready for demolishing at high speed into the ground.
I broke mine already.
I've lost one. One's in a hedge over next door and I don't like him, so I don't want to go and ask it back.
Is it really gone, is it? I can stay there.
My AC-130, my mini plane, I can't find a controller, so unless you just fucking throw it.
That's not the little white one for 20 quid, is it?
Yeah, the little white one
Well, cause
in next door's garden.
Oh, because I've got the remote, because I see it will work on your one then, wouldn't it? Because I've got the exact same plane with a fucked plane.
Just bring me the plane, I've got a glue gun. Just bring me the plane.
It's not in one piece.
We'll use my AC-130 to put it back together.
I turned into a boat.
How the fuck did you...
It's called HMS.
It's called
HMS Scrot Bag, and it's brilliant.
You're a knob. You're a knob.
It's fucking brilliant.
It
does circles.
What, grot bag from the 80s?
Scrot. Now I don't know the 80s stuff.
You know, grot bags and
Scrot.
Runny bun.
Scrot bag.
Right, yeah.
We'll pause it here. We are in a magical place, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Wild Dagger TV headquarters. Look. I'm not even going to talk. There's my RC car, drift car I had and sold, which I'm gutted about.
So because of social distancing, I obviously can't go in there and point at all the crap I own. But the 2 planes, it's a Hobby King TTX Cessna. It's got a stabilised thing in it, and a return to home, and a gimbal thing, and I don't fucking know what I'm talking about today. I just watched it on YouTube, plugged it all in, and it worked. I would shout out the channel I watched, but I was baked and I can't remember who the fuck it was. They did me a favour, it's really good. I think the idea is you should start with a piece of metal, and you've got a plate to work on, haven't we?
Yes.
You think?
Right, yeah.
Obviously the back piece has got to come out, but if we can connect this piece to there first, then we'll cut the back piece out.
Yes.
My dilemma is, look, see this piece here?
Yep.
You see that piece there?
Yes.
It's just as fucked as that piece there.
Yes, it is.
So it's like, do I cut this piece off first? Or do I cut that piece? Or do I cut it all off as one and try and mimic it? Like lie there all in bits going, oh, I'm really rusty. You know, and mimic it like that. Like try and recreate the piece.
Yes. I would just weld some plate in there and fucking put the wheel back on.
Fucking go for it, mate.
Fuck jar sauce.
Shit anyway. Fucking shit anyway, mate.
I fucking love that.
Who the fuck would buy a Mitsubishi Delicia? Who the fuck?
I think this is even a quality YouTube video we can share onto Facebook to our family and friends.
Yeah, exactly.
No one will watch it.
No one would watch it because it's shit anyway. You know what I mean? It's fucking shit. All he does is swear and throw crap around the kitchen and say how everything's shit. Apart from the shit that he's made, which was shit. You know, who the fuck wants to chop shit and throw it in a thing? That's why we buy jar sauce, you fucking moron. So we can just watch you do it. Yeah? And jar sauce, by the way, is cheaper.
Yeah, fuck you, that's what I reckon.
Yeah.
Jar sauce is cheap.
That's what I reckon, mate.
We're sending this to him. Fuck
But
you,
I
Nat.
do like, I must admit, this is shit. When he listens
It's fucking brilliant.
to a tune and goes, yeah, that's fucking shit. I don't want to hear it then. Don't show me the tune.
Yeah.
Shit. I'm not interested.
Just you saying it's shit every 10 seconds is good
Often
enough.
People come to go, listen to this, mate. Oh yeah, what is it? Yeah, yeah. It's shit. Yeah, I know. Well, what the fuck are you telling me about? Fucking morons. Anyway.
This has quickly turned into a 20-minute video of ranting about jar sauce.
Yeah. I think we've all agreed there is different levels in the jar sauce.
Yeah.
If you're locked in your house for 6 weeks and you can't get out to pick up a fucking courgette,
Fuck jar sauce.
yeah, then, you know, I've got to go with this jar sauce, mate. I've got kids to feed.
There's nothing
I don't
wrong.
want to stand around watching me burn packets of sauce.
There's nothing wrong with jar sauce.
You know, I've burnt a packet of fucking soup for you. Brilliant.
I've burnt liquid for your delight.
Just fucking make the soup, keep the kids quiet, all drink profusely, and then pass out in a daze of fucking wondrous loveliness. What time is it? Is it 3 o'clock yet?
Yes. It's got to be like at least 10 past 12.
It's least, is it?
I think it actually is.
Let's have a look. Let's check the time. Pause. This week, I'll mostly be grinding Mitsubishis. That's a wind the grinder there. Listen. Here we go. What I'm doing here is I'm assessing exactly how much metal was ever in this fucking vehicle, and I think most of it has been used to make beds for Wuhan, because there's no fucking metal in this, boy. Looks like they sprayed the inner leg with rust. No, we won't undersee it. We spray it with rust, and then it's ready for the UK market. Some idiot is going to come and pay £1,100 for this. £1,100. This bit weighs more than £1,100. Anyway, so buy a Land Rover.
Because they are not rotten.
They are rotten,
the
but
gearboxes don't go.
The fucking chassis is one bit. I mean, what's this? What's this bit? Why have we got 2 beds of chassis here? Why do we need? What's the hole for? So you can see where the fucking oil's coming from. That's where. Piece of shit. My best friend's truck. He loves it. Keeps bringing it back to me. So what I've decided is if I weld a bubble hubs, it won't be able to go or come back again. Never mind. He loves it though. He loves it. You know.
Some people can't be helped.
Some people as God, others as rusty old heaps of shit they find on Facebook. I've owned a few of them. I just throw them away though.
We've all been victims.
We have been victims. That's a good word, victim.
We've all been victims of.
Turn up,
That's
someone-
pretty cool.
Look, show the wheel. Look, someone's painted the wheel. It looks lovely.
You look at it and think, that's cool.
got
It's
a
only
snorkel that can go 55 metres underwater.
it's only 26 years
No
old.
one can see that I'm transporting my 58,000 children around, and I'm in misery.
Yeah, this video is dedicated to fuck you down in Mitsubishi Delicia.
The science, you know what I mean? There's more rubber than this than there is in any of the fucking bushes in the vehicle. The fucking suspension frame together.
Joking, Dan. We love you, mate.
Yeah, we do love Dan.
If you're still watching this video at this point,
We love you, mate.
yeah, we still love you, dude.
Right, what time is it now? Is it 3 o'clock? Of the unsuspecting teenager with a man's tool in his hand. It's not the first time he's had a man's tool in his hand. Grinding! Shall we show you? Right, try and cover up the reds if you can. There we go, look. Ooh, look. What a machine, eh? What a machine! Can we lift the bonnet? Probably. Here we go. Ooh! Ooh! The rust is coming up to the inside. It's got big wheels on it. Very spacious. I think is it a space gear? It might be a space gear. Oh, it is a space gear, look. Space gear! Mitsubishi! Space gear! Intercooler turbo. 2,800. Or 2,800 if you're in America. Which is shit, by the way. 2,800. Not 2,800, man. So, I just want to be clear. There's crystals. Yeah, we like that. Don't
We love Nat.
We love that.
We love Nat's what I reckon.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Nat's what I reckon.
Oh, I just thought it was that fucking weird Australian guy. Anyway.
Not helping.
Dude, I like it. Don't mean that, you can't have a little jolly.
Yeah.
Bants.
Yeah.
What's he going to do? Come over to the UK and what?
We've got tattoos, man. We got tattoos.
We can do tattoos. Come over and see us, man. We'll set you up with a tattoo. We will do you the shittest tattoo you have ever seen.
Done by me.
No, you start and I'll finish it. We'll have two completely different random ideas. So you start with like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles or something. That reference. And I'll
That's what I reckon.
finish off with My Little Pony. Smashed together, so we'll have a My Little Ninja Pony.
My Little Ninja Pony. Green.
Yeah. Matt, come over. We need to do.
Yeah, we'll hook you up, G. Don't
We
worry.
need to hook you up with
Come down to North Cornwall,
North Cornwall
UK.
in England.
If you look at the map, we're the pointy bit at the bottom left.
We got that silly weird guy with the white hair.
Yeah, Bruce.
How come our silly white weird guy got coronavirus and America's silly white weird guy didn't?
Well, he's orange. He's not white.
Because he was drinking Dettol. That's why he did.
Yeah, just basically America. Just buy the cheapest bottle of like Domestos bleach and just drink it. Just down it.
Send you crackers.
Yeah. Just go to your fucking Humvee or wherever you sell stuff in America and just.
He's a vehicle.
Oh yeah, go to Walmart and just down a bottle of toilet duck.
Fuel in the trunk. Hit the highway.
And down some toilet duck.
I like Americans too. Everybody watches American.
Yeah, everything I do is
You
American.
know why that is?
Why?
It's British shit.
Britain is pretty shit for stuff.
We're British. In fact, this is one of that. Right, Great Britain. Here you go, Nat. It's fucking shit. Okay? Simple.
In his 80s shades, he's drawn blue on. And his breathable old man hat, look. Look at them breathable buttons on the top. Right, I think we're going to have to draw us a close to the first part because we're running out of time and I've got to go cut some grass. So, we've got to fire up the 29.
His ass and watch fucking Judge Judy for the afternoon.
Basically. The old hop in the 91 Polo. Cruise down there with all the poison grace of the...
I like it was a good... Like in the old 91 Polo, which is held together with Balin Triumph, Hopes and Dreams.
It's got the finest cut springs in the UK on it.
They're race prepped.
They're race prepped. And they're painted yellow so look like Lyran Springs. So fucking UK police, you can have my thumb up your ass because they are safe.
You'd love to see your thumb for the copper's arse.
I did actually get pulled over the other day again though.
You didn't say you actually did stick your finger up a copper's
No, I didn't know. He wouldn't allow it. I'm gonna turn this video camera off for this.